Hey, friends, it's your good pal, Mr. McCarthy, coming at you with another round of Chapter 9. In this case, we're dealing with real-world problems involving decimals. As always, I'll call it as I see it and let you know if I think they're really real-world problems or not. Most of them should be, but if they're nonsense, we'll address that too. So yeah, let's chat her. Let's have at her. Okay, so first of all, you're going to solve one-step real-world. I cannot say that today. Real-world problems. 9 nickels are placed in a row touching one another. Each coin measures 2 1/1200ths of a centimeter across. What's the total length of the row of coins? 9 times 2 1/1200ths equals 19 800ths. And then you can estimate to check your answer. So yeah, that's how you would solve that problem. When are you ever going to measure a row of 9 nickels? I don't know. All right. And yeah, you can always check by doing the opposite operation. Oh, wow, you got lots of people on the same page. It's getting crowded. Okay. The mass of a half a dollar is 11 3/400ths of a gram. Find the total mass of 8 $half. 8 times 11 3/400ths equals, and the total mass of the coins is blank. Again, why would you ever solve this? I have no idea, but why don't you go ahead and do that, and I'll give you the answers in about 5 seconds. All right, is that what you got? Beautiful. Let's carry on real-world problems indeed. Okay, 2-step real-world problems using models. A piece of metal is 6 5400ths of a yard long, and it's cut in 2 pieces. One piece is twice as long as the other. What is the length of the longer piece? Give your answer to the nearest tenth of a yard. Sure, this is a problem. Real world? I don't know. But it's most definitely a bar model problem. The twice as long, longer piece, the longer piece being twice as long as a shorter piece sets up this bar model where you get 3 units. And find 1 unit, you're doing 6 5400ths divided by 3. Trying to find the longer piece, so then once you divide that by 3, you get 2 1800ths times 2 is 4 3600ths of a yard. And then give your answer to the nearest tenth. Oh my gosh. So the length of the longer piece is about 4.4 or 4 4/10ths of a yard. Again, you find a real world situation in which you were solving that problem, then find me and I'll give you $10. Let's carry on. And then you can estimate and round and check as well. Okay. A row of 7 boxes of spaghetti is 24 6400ths of a centimeter wide. Find the width of 9 boxes. Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. This is just absurd, you guys, but we're going to do it. All right. So 7 boxes is 24 6400ths. To find 1 box, you divide by 7, and then you're going to take that figure and multiply it by 9. And then you're going to round your answer to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Okay. If you ever find a situation in your life in which you're required to calculate the width of boxes of spaghetti to the nearest centimeter, find me, let me know, and I'll give you an ice cream cone. All right, excellent. Let's move on. Okay, let's see what Heather and Zach and Serena are up to. Okay, this one seems real. Heather saved $12.15, and Zach saved 3 times as much as Heather. Serena saved $24.50 more than Zach. So how much did Serena save? Well, Heather's $12.15. Zach is going to be 3 times that. So you're going to do 3 times 12.15, and you're going to get 36 and 4500ths. So Zach saved $36.45. And then you're going to add Zach's 36.45 plus Serena's. I've got a Serena in my class this year. It's throwing me off. Serena's $36.45 plus $24.50 is going to equal $60.95. So Serena saved $60.95. Okay, this one, is a feasible problem. I'll accept it. Oh, yeah, how are we doing on time? Okay. Ms. Gonzalez wants to buy 3 watches at a cost of $69.90, $65 each. Estimate the least number of $5 bills she needs to buy the watches. Okay, so this is a poorly written. So first of all, this is a poorly written problem. Okay, 69.65 is about, and I'll tell you why it's poorly written. $70. 3 times $70 is 210, or 3 times 70 is 210. So the total cost of the 3 watches is about 210. Okay, 210 divided by 5 is 42. So she needs at least 42 $5 bills to buy the watches, or she needs a couple of hundreds and a 10 and no $5 bills at all, because it doesn't tell you that you can only use $5 bills. But I guess that's nitpicking. That's what they want, is 42. Shall we continue? Let's continue. I'm kind of having fun with this lesson. I must have got up and put on my sassy pants today because I'm feeling a little squirrely. All right. A wooden vase and 4 glass vases have a total weight of 21.6 pounds. The weight of the wooden vase is 3 3/10 of a pound. What is the weight of each glass vase? Round your answer to the nearest hundredth of a pound. Why? Because the book says so. All right. 21 6/10 minus 3 3/10 is 18 3/10. The total weight of the 4 glass vases is 18 3/10 of a pound. 18 3/10 of a pound. Oh, they want us to go to the nearest hundred. Does my pen work today? Some of you guys saw my videos last night where my pen was uncooperative. Wow, I'm just, something is amiss. All right. The weight of each vase. Wait. Ends up being 4 58/100 of a pound. If you did this division, you're actually, I skipped a step, and that rounds to 4 58/100. Okay. Whoo-wee. Welcome to the sports shop. They are selling 3 light bowling balls and 3 heavy bowling balls for 10-pin bowling. There's 5-pin bowling in other places, so that's the clarification there. The weight of a heavy bowling ball is twice that of a light bowling ball. The total weight of 6 bowling balls is 52 65/100 of a pound. You and I have all been to bowling alleys, or many of us have, and every one of us knows that bowling balls are just measured to the nearest pound. This seems silly. Anyway, find the total weight of the 3 heavy balls to the nearest pound. So 3 heavy and 3 light. So the heavy is the unit is a light bowling ball, and a heavy bowling ball weighs 2 units. Okay, so if we've got 3 heavies and 3 lights, the 3 heavies times 2 units each is going to be 6 plus our 3. We've got 9 units. Okay, so 9 units is going to be the 52 65/100 of a pound. The 1 unit is going to be 52 65/100 of a pound divided by 9, which is going to give us 5 85/100 of a pound. So 1 unit is going to be, I don't know if you can see that, but that's there. So 6 units will be the 5 85/100. Oh, where's my x times 6? And that's going to equal, oh, for crying out loud, 35 and 1. All right. Or about 35 pounds. Boom, because we're going to the nearest pound. So all you have to do is get to the 10th, and once we get to the 10th, we can go to the nearest pound. All right? That was a big lesson. You can do this if you want to. We don't really have time for it. Pause it, do it if you want to. Otherwise, we're going to carry on. Cool. Oh. Kevin wants to go to the supermarket to buy some bread. He's got some quarters and dimes. He's got $1.15 in all. How many quarters and how many dimes could he possibly have? There's two answers for this. He could have a quarter and 9 dimes, or he could have 3 quarters and 4 dimes. Figure it out if you're not sure. There you go. I did your exploring for you. Yay, let's practice means you do the work, and it's just practice for you. Pause me, and then I'll fill in your responses in about 5 seconds. Okay? 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, is that what you got? You should have. Carry on. Oop, pausing, giving you the responses, and I'll get your handsome face out of the way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you guys even know what an MP3 player is? Imagine something that looks like this, but the only thing it does is play songs. That's an MP3 player. That's like ancient technology for you guys. All right. Here we go. Carry on my math, friends. Hey, it's the last one. Hooray, huzzah. Hey, true story. If I can't get my face off the homework, you don't have to do it. Oh, too bad. Haha. All right, pausing in 5, 4, 3, or showing you the answers in 2, 1. All right, there you go. Workbook P, B. Oh, a lot of practice from this chapter. But I'm guessing those are a lot of pages with just one problem each. But I don't have to do them. You do, so not really my issue. Good luck. After this, there is the problem with the lesson. Pretty straightforward. This one's real. We can do this. This is a real world problem. And then your pages, again, your teachers probably might give you some version of this. Oh, I lied. There's a little more than I thought. Well, hey. Y'all have a good night and have fun with this. 57 to 62. Okay, that's not so bad. That's it. Be well. There is no video for the chapter review because there just isn't. Unless there is, then yeah, I withdraw that last statement. All right, that's it. Bye, friends. Have a great, great day.